What if you could lengthen your life and improve your health safely and easily? Hi, I'm Nanette, your family health coach. Do you know what a telomere is? It's a compound structure at the end of a chromosome. It's like the end cap on a shoelace, but on our chromosomes. We were all born with them, and that's when they're at their longest. As cells divide, which they are doing every second, telomeres shorten, which leads to aging and age-related conditions. But what if you could lengthen them? Let's focus on one step: minimizing exposure to toxins. Filter your air and water. Know where your food is coming from. Use only chemical-free body care and cleaning products. And then support your body's ability to detox by dry brushing, rebounding, get in an infrared sauna, take a cold shower. There are many more tips addressed in my 10-week one-on-one coaching program to support you. If you're interested in a free call to discuss my program and to determine if we'd be a good fit for each other, go to yourprimallife.com/apply. We'll see you there.